In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Outlook to find emails fast. We'll start by getting into Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. Open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. On the home page, look for the All Microsoft menu and click it. From that list, select Outlook. This takes you to Outlook's page where you'll click Sign In. Go ahead and sign into your account so you land in your inbox. Once you're in your mailbox, you'll notice the search bar right away at the top of your emails. It's designed to be front and center so you can quickly find what you need. For a fast search, click in the bar, type a few keywords, such as a person's name, a project, or a unique phrase from a message, and press enter. Results will appear instantly so you can immediately see what matches. If you don't get what you're looking for on the first try, tweak your keywords slightly and press enter again. If your results feel too broad, you can choose which folders to search from. This is useful when you know the message is in a specific place like your inbox or sent items. Adjusting the folder scope helps focus results and reduces noise, especially if you have a lot of archived mail. To refine things even more, click Filters. This opens up powerful options so you can fill in fields for a focused search. Specify who the email is, from, who it was to, add words from the subject, set the dates to narrow the time frame, and include whether the message has attachments. Add as much detail as you know. Every bit helps tighten the results. When you're ready, click Search, and the emails that match these filters will appear. If the list still isn't quite right, update any of the fields and click Search again until you see exactly what you need. When you're finished reviewing your results, click Clear Filters. This resets everything, bringing you back to your regular view and preventing any leftover settings from affecting your next search. That's the whole process. Go to Microsoft.com, open All Microsoft, choose Outlook, sign in, use the search bar for quick keywords, narrow to specific folders when needed, click Filters to refine by from to subject, dates and attachments, click Search to see precise matches, and clear filters when you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.